Hi. Yes, you are looking at a siren. This is a small siren. But I wonder, perhaps you can help me. Here is a picture of a hand-cranked siren. The asking price for it is about £500. Here is a picture of a mains siren. It's 2 foot from left to right. Its asking price is over £1,500. As it's 3-phase, you will also need an inverter so you can run it from a domestic power supply. But that's not my question. My question is, if you do buy either of these sirens, what are you going to do with it? No, seriously. What are you going to do with it? Even the hand-cranked siren's got a range of over a mile. And the mains powered one has got a range of over 5 miles. So great, yeah, you get one, but what are you going to do? You can't set it off just for the fun. Well, you can, but the neighbours are going to love you. So will everyone else. They're novel, but there's nothing you can do with one. Here's this one. Yes, it's not that loud, and it doesn't carry very far, but it is annoying. So think what the others are like. How annoying will they be? If you like this sort of content, a thumbs up would be appreciated. A subscription to the channel, which is free, would be great as well. And as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. You can also support me on Ko-fi.